Today, guys, I have a very nice laptop over here, and it's the Lenovo Yoga 9i 14-incher. And of course, a quick word of thanks to our friends from Lenovo Philippines for lending me to try this one here in my studio. Let's unbox. So hi guys, it's me Richmond of Gadget Sidekick. Welcome back to my channel. So kita na natin here my table, it's Yoga. Lenovo Yoga. And the box is quite slim. Kita natin, and of course, hindi ko na sinama yung brown box, no? Medyo malaki siya. So it's packed just to protect this smaller box. So bubuksan natin, and of course, showing you the unboxing experience. So kita natin here, naka-wrap pa siya, no? So of course, ipipil lang natin just to remove this one. Okay? Sliding it out. So, kita natin, here is the Lenovo Yoga 9i 14-incher. And it's slim, ah. To be honest, it's quite lightweight at a 1.4 kilograms for a tablet/laptop. So, we'll talk a little bit more about it in a while. Buksan muna natin the other stuff inside. So, yeah, kita natin there's a pen included. So, gamitin natin to a little bit later to draw. So, abangan nyo. And of course, some documentation over here. And nakaseparate ang charging brick ni Yoga 9i, which is a 65 watts na USB Type-C port. Probably isa sa mga reklamo ko dito is that hindi pa makaget over si Lenovo sa mga ganitong klaseng charger. They could easily use yung mga charging brick like gun chargers na 65 watts na may PD. It works the same, and I was able to try them. And same, nag-charge naman siya. Mabilis naman mag-charge, 65 watts naman siya. And of course, I'm not quite sure why ganito pa rin ang design ng charger na ito. It's a bit bulky and ang daming wires. So right now, let's focus. So kita natin the Yoga logo is over here. It's pretty nice. Ang ganda ng pagka-etching niya, no? And of course, the Lenovo logo is over here. Ito ang kanyang speaker grills. Ang ganda. Hindi mo halata, no? Na parang sobrang smooth ng kanyang pagka-finish. Sobrang liit ng perforation ng kanyang mga butas dito. Hindi mo kalaing speaker siya. And by the way, guys, it has 360 surround speakers. Meron pa siyang speaker dito sa sides, as well as kabilang side. Checking yung mga ports, power button, Type-C port, and of course, ang kanyang audio jack. On the other side, surprising, may isang Type-A pa and dalawang Type-C port. Dito ang charging. So, ito yung tsura niya sa ilalim. So, nandito ang Windows 11 na sticker. This is a single language na English edition. Dito lumalabas ang init when you're using the laptop. Here are some rubber bootings, as well as meron din dito. So, right now, buksan natin. Yeah. Kita natin it's being protected. Meron pa siyang mga label ba dito. So, apparently, pag open natin ng laptop, nag-boot up agad si Yoga 9i. So, there are some people who would like that function, but there are some people like me na hindi ko masyado trip na pag open ko, sarili siya mag-boot up. So, there are times accidentally mabubuksan ng, well, let's say kids, mag-boot up yan. Of course, yung mga kids, hindi naman nila si-shutdown yan. So, for me, I'm not quite sure kung paano itanggalin yung function na yun, no? But I think pwede mo i-disable yan sa kanyang BIOS. Now, taking a quick look, it's being powered by Intel Evo na i7. And sabi dito, it has comfort edge, which is, yeah, comfort nga talaga siya. Hindi katulad ng may ibang laptops na sobrang edgy, makanto. Ito okay, smooth na smooth ang kanyang mga edges. And it also has OLED na Dolby Vision na display and 360 na rotating soundbar and being powered by Bowers and Wilkins. I think this is one of the first laptop na being powered by yung sound, no, ni Bowers and Wilkins. And I did try the sounds and it's really, really awesome. So, pakita ko lang siya ng mga function nito. This one is a smart power. Ito, background blur. Ito, vibe check. And ito is color mode. So, ito naman fingerprint scanner. So, I did install yung aking face-to-face unlock dito. Kaya, mabilis lang ang unlocking nito, no? So, i-try lang natin right now. So, I'll be switching to my other camera. And now, one of the things na gustong mong mahalin dito sa laptop na ito is ang ganda ng kanyang display. And this one, I believe, sabi na dito, it's being displayed powered by PureSight. And yung kanyang display Pag tinitingnan mo dito, ang tingkad ng kanyang color reproduction. Very punchy ang kanyang color. And kita natin dito sa kanyang wallpaper pa lang alone, ang ganda ng display. I was really blown away. Habang nanonood ako ng videos dito, I was saying na, uy, ang ganda ng display na to. And it really shows dito sa laptop na ito. Now, subukan lang natin mag-type dito. Check natin ang spec sheet nitong Yoga 9i na Core i7 1260p na specs. So, pasok lang tayo sa official site ni Lenovo. So, apparently, this is the Yoga 9i na Storm Gray. And basahin ko lang sa inyo ang spec sheet nito. So, it's a 12th gen na Core i7 1260p na processor. And ang pinaka-maximum na kaya na tumakbo is up to 3.4 gigahertz. No, that's probably very fast na. And pag binoost mo pa, turbo boost, abot pa siya ng 4.7. So, that's running 12 cores and 16 threads. Ang kanyang cache is 18 MB. Now, this one is running on Windows 11 Home na 64-bit and it has a Intel Iris Xe na graphics. And ang memory nito is 16 gigs of RAM na LPDDR5 and together with a 1TB na SSD na Gen 4, which is, masasabi ko sa inyo, halimaw talaga. Grabe. Now, itong laptop na to also has a 14-incher na Lenovo PureSight OLED display. It's 100% DCI-P3 display. Kaya na mag-support ng VESA display HDR 500 and True Black and Dolby Vision together. I mean, sa display pa lang, guys, sobrang panalo na. Actually, nung binutap ko pa lang to, nung nakita ko ang display na parang napawaw na ako. So right now, quickly manunod lang tayo. One quick video dito sa YouTube. Papakita ko lang sa ito gaano kaganda ang ganda display dito. And gusto ko rin pakinggan nyo ang sounds from this one. I'm not quite sure kung mapapakinggan nyo, but nevertheless, itong 360 degrees na rotating sounds, it's the first one from Bowers and Wilkins dito sa Lenovo Yoga 9i. And nung na-try ko to, I was really blown away. Wala akong masabi, sobrang ganda. Yung experience niya took me to a whole new level.
Excuse me, where can I find Goku? How do you know him and why? You beat my friend Naruto in the arena, and I want to challenge him to test my strength. He's probably fighting some blue rat or something. Or some guy wearing his underwear on the outside. But he's not around here. Very well, you're a Saiyan, right? Would you like to fight me? You've got to be kidding me! Do you think you can just walk up to any Saiyan and ask them for a fight and expect to get it? Fine. I'm sorry I bothered you, Vegeta. How do you know my name? Because everyone says you're a second-rate Goku. Dragon Flame Jutsu!
Kita natin guys, sobrang immersive ang experience ko dito watching videos on, kahit pa lang yan, 1080p pa lang yan. What more kung manood tayo ng mga 4K na videos dito, which is papakita ko sa inyo right now. So yan guys, kita na natin ang 4K display dito. Actually, nakaset na siya sa 4K dito sa kanyang resolution. And I can say na I'd be honest about it. Sobrang ganda na experience ka dito. I was really blown away this kind of color reproduction. Sobrang ganda. I mean, sa laptop I seldom see yung mga naka-experience pa ng ganong kaganda na display. Probably for me, this one will be a very nice na device to edit my videos, to edit my photos sa Adobe Premiere Pro and Adobe Photoshop. So I'll be giving it a shot and pakita ko sa inyo right now. And by the way guys, kita natin tong touchpad niya. It's what Lenovo claims, it's a 7-incher na touchpad. Ang laki. It's very generous. Ang laki ng kanyang space to do all of your stuff here, sa mga gestures. Which for me, okay na okay for me. So gamitin lang natin ang pen to load. And of course, it also comes with a free na McAfee, no? And right now, so kita natin, I'm editing one of my videos na review. So pakita ko lang sa inyo, no, quickly, how it looks like. Best thing that I like dito sa kanya is very thin siya. So guys, if you want me to do more of yung mga long-term experience, long-term review ng mga smartphones here on my channel, post lang kayo ng message on the comment section. And they are quite impressed na magandang phone na hawak ko and they were intrigued and asked me kung anong brand this. Sabi ko, sa Oppo A57, and they were surprised na sinabi ko, it's just 8,999. I mean, that's probably one of the other things na might be catchy is the price point, 8,999. So kita natin guys, it's really nice experience. Kahit magtatrabaho ako, no, it gives me that yung ganado ako mag-edit na aking 4K video dito dahil ang ganda ng reproduction ng colors niya. No? So, pag nagka-calibrate ako ng color dito, it's a lot easier compared sa ibang mga tablets, ibang mga laptops, or probably maybe desktop pa nga eh. So, pag nag-a-adjust ako ng color dito, it's a lot easier. Lalo kung meron ka ng pen nito, a-adjust ko lang to, ganito lang, swipe lang. Okay, so I don't need to use my mouse na. So all I need to do is just simply use this pen. And it's a lot helpful. Kahit gawin ko siyang tablet mode, pwede ako mag-edit using this pen. This laptop comes preloaded with MS Word and of course Excel. Basically, it's the Office. So this tablet comes preloaded with MS Office na 2021. And all you need to do is, of course, buy your own license, i-activate nyo lang, and you're good to go. Now, you can use Office na dedicated dito or can use Office na 365. Depende sa kailangan nyo, no? And what I like about dito is smooth mag-type, very quiet, and sarap. Sarap mag-type dito sa tablet na ito. So, kita natin, it's really a breeze. Or, we can also use the pen to write. So, try lang din natin. So, I'll just need to pull out my Microsoft na whiteboard. So, yan. Itong Microsoft whiteboard is used mainly to write your notes, to do your scribbles. So, pili lang tayo ng scribble. So, type lang tayo. Sulat lang tayo. So, right now, try lang natin magsulat. Oh, ha? Taking notes hasn't been this fun using this pen ni Lenovo Yoga. And what I like dito sa kanya is ang astig daw. Pag ginaan ko ang sulat ko, luminipis. Pag binibigatan ko ang sulat ko, kumakapal. So, yun yung mga tipong parang nagka-calligraphy ka. So, yung tipong yung gagalang ka, then ninipisan mo. Yan, di ba? Parang ang cool lang ng tingnan. So, this is the feature itong pen na to, or probably part ni Microsoft Whiteboard na you can use. Okay? Yan. So, kita natin, no? Yan. So, di ba? Pag ginagaanan ko aking kamay, luminipis ang sulat. Pag binibigatan ko, kakapalang sulat, which is definitely cool to have. And there's 2 buttons dito. So yung second button dito sa likod, it's used to highlight. So pipindutin ko lang siya, then i-highlight ko lang to. So naka-highlight na si yoga, yung word na yoga. And ito sa harap. And itong nasa harap is used to erase. Pag hawak ko, then gaganan ko, na-erase na siya. Astig, di ba? So right now, quickly ilo-load lang natin si Valorant. Titingnan natin kung okay nga ba siya maglaro dito sa laptop na ito. I believe na kayang-kaya niya. Shouldn't be much of a problem.
There they are. Enemy spotted.
Last player standing.
No charges left.
Multiple enemies B.
Enemy spotted B. Killed.
Enemy marked.
Spike down A. Last player standing.
So nakita na natin kakayahan nito guys in terms of gaming, watching videos, and probably anything that you would do on a desktop. I think kayang-kaya nitong laptop na ito, si Lenovo Yoga 9i. And what I really like is yung kanyang display, so good, so crisp, and grabe, yung sounds nito being provided by Bowers and Wilkins is probably one of the most I can say na pinaka-best experience ko in terms of sounds in any laptop so far na nahahawakan ko so far dito sa aking channel and probably sa aking studio. And of course, I can say na yung mga edge na dito is probably sobrang smooth. Unlike yung mga ibang laptops na meron ko, ang ma-edgy, makanto. And of course, like any yoga, you can always hold this the way you want it to be. Okay? So, gagawin lang natin ng ganon. Or gusto mo medyo mas nakatayo pa konti, it's up to you. So, ganon ka-versatile itong Lenovo Yoga 9i. And it simply functions like any tablet na gusto mong hawakan. And pwede pa yung fold to para maging tablet siya ng tuluyan. And gamitin mo lang siya like any tablet na gusto mo. So guys, if you find this review helpful, do drop me a like and of course, comment on the comment section below kung ano na gusto nyo dito sa Lenovo Yoga 9i. So if you want to purchase one of these, you can always check the link on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click mo na rin ang bell icon para hindi nyo ma-miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, how about si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?